Today we are discussing about the decimals 6th class CBSE syllabus. The sum of 4 plus 4.4 plus 4.04 plus 44.4 plus 444. So simply we can choose the answer only. First we have to check the what is the biggest number. Here this is the biggest number, 444. Next we have to choose the after point. How many numbers are there? Here 4, here 0, 4, here 4 only. So simply we can choose the answer after point. There is 2 numbers, answer will come. So choose the after point. How many numbers are there? Here only one number is there, here 2 numbers, here 1 number, here there is no number. So simply we can add 0.00. So in this sum, after point, this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place. 100th place only 4 is there. So in the answer 100th place only 4 is will come. So I think answer is this one only. Check whether it is or not. So add 4. After point I am adding 2 zeros. There is no change at all. 4.40, 4.04 and 44.4. I am adding this 0 and 444. After find we can add 0, but there is no change in this number. So add 4 only. 4 plus 4, 8.12345. 4 5s are 20 and 10. So answer is the 500.84. So it is the correct. Second one, 11.01 plus 1.101 is. Firstly we have to choose what it is the biggest number. So this is the biggest number. So answer will come above the 11. So we will check after point how many numbers are there. Here is 2 numbers, here is 3 numbers. So answer will come after point 3 numbers. Here after point 3 numbers are there, here 3 numbers are there, here 3 numbers are there, here 3 numbers are there. So we have to add. Simply I will cut this one answer because 11 is the above this number. Add above 2 numbers, 11.01 and 1.101. So simply I am adding 0, but there is no change in this number. Add 1 1 1 1 1 2 and 1. So answer it is this one, B only. Third one, 99 plus 9 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. Third one, 99 plus 9 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. So first don't LCM. So don't go the LCM. So simply we can written as the 99 plus here is two zeros are there na, so after point two numbers will come 0, 0.09 plus three zeros are there, so after point three numbers will come, so above is 9, so here is 0, 0.009. So answer is, simply we can written as the answer is above the 99 only. Simply we can written as the answer in this tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. Thousands place there is no any number